What if there was a cooling solution? No need to carefully aligning with the CPU core. No need to purchase new mounting hardware. And not need to repurchase a new cooler for a new CPU. That might sound like wishful idea. But we decided to make it real. Take Ryzen 9950X3D. Its core hotspots are very unevenly distributed. Or take Intel's Core Ultra 285K. Its core hotspot is offset, not even close to the center. The bottom does not conduct heat quickly and evenly. If the heat pipes don't align with the hotspots, cooling efficiency takes a hit. In this case, users will either sacrifice performance or cross-generational compatibility, either painstakingly install complex systems or use platform-specific heat sinks. Therefore, with every new CPU and platform change, users have to change the mounting hardware to align the CPU center. It's a real hassle. We want to break this cycle, take a different path, not a compromise, but deliver an answer that solves all of these problems. We decided to start all over again, beginning with the thermal conductivity of the cooler itself. We chose VC. The full name is vapor chamber. It's a technology originally widely used in telecommunications and industrial application. Now, we brought it into the tower air cooling arena. Unlike the steel copper base, VC uses an internal liquid vapor phase change cycle to achieve fast and uniform 2D thermal conduction. This design enables precise, comprehensive, and targeted heat dissipation, adapting perfectly to the heat distribution characteristics of high-density chips. Whether it is Intel's shifted cores or AMD's asymmetrical hotspot, it can maximize its cooling performance. However, integrating the server-grade vapor chamber technology into a 300-watt tower cooler, which means we had to challenge the laws of the thermal physics. We have independently developed each particle. Self-developed materials that is high temperature resistant in any expansion and won't deform under intense heat. We optimize the flow path by 3D technology, ensuring heat transfer never gets blocked. We use specialized welding techniques, conducting multiple experiments and modifications, guarantee its sealing strength inside a large tower cooler. All of this is for one goal, one design, one universal solution compatible with all platforms and all generations.